Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a famous coffee shop in San Francisco. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends visiting San Francisco. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is the name of the small espresso drink that Erin orders? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Erin. Wow, it is so cold out here.
I know. I had to put on my jacket. Is it really summer here?
It is summer, but San Francisco is famous for cold mornings. Look at all this fog.
It is hard to see the buildings across the street. It is so thick.
People here have a name for the fog. They call it Carl.
Carl? Like a person?
Yes, Carl the Fog. There's even a social media account for it.
That is so funny. Who started that account?
A local fan started it. The fog has more than 1 million followers now.
1 million followers for a fog? That is amazing.
People here really love their fog. The fog has its own personality.
What does the fog post on social media?
Jokes about the weather, photos of the bridge in the fog, things like that.
Only in San Francisco, I think.
Yes, it feels like part of the city.
Why is the fog so heavy in summer?
The ocean is very cold here. Warm air from the land meets the cold ocean air, and you get fog.
So the city stays cool in summer. That is the opposite of home.
Right. People here say summer in San Francisco can feel like winter.
That is a perfect way to say it. So I should bring my jacket every day.
Yes, even in July. The fog usually clears by noon, though.
Good to know. So what is the plan for today?
I want to try Blue Bottle coffee. It started right around here.
Oh, I have heard of that. The brand with the small blue logo, right?
Yes, there's a famous shop at Mint Plaza. It's not too far.
Should we walk there?
We could, but the streets are very hilly. Let us take a cable car.
A cable car. I really want to try one.
It's one of the best parts of the city. Let's go.
Lead the way. I'm ready for some coffee. Excuse me, sir. Is this cable car going to Mint Plaza?
Good morning, miss. Yes, we go very close to it. You can get off near there.
Oh, thank you. How much is the ride for 2 people?
It is $8 for each person, so $16 for 2.
Here you are. $16.
Thank you. Please hold on with both hands. The streets here are very steep.
Wow, I can feel it already. How does this cable car move? There is no engine sound.
There is a long cable under the street. It moves all the time. We just hold it to go.
So you hold it and let it go to stop?
Exactly. I pull a big handle. It is hard work for the arms.
That sounds amazing. Is it new?
Oh, no, miss. It has been running since 1873.
1873? That is over 150 years.
Yes, we are the only city in the world with cable cars like this still running every day.
That is so special. So this is like a moving museum.
That is a nice way to say it. People come from all over the world to ride it.
Where are you from?
I was born here in San Francisco. My father drove a cable car too.
Oh, that is wonderful. A family job.
Yes, I have been doing this for over 20 years now.
Do you ever get tired of the same route?
Not really. The view changes every day. The fog, the sun, the people.
I can see why. Look at this view of the bay.
Beautiful, right? On clear days, you can see Alcatraz from up here.
Wow. Where should I get off for Mint Plaza?
I will tell you. You want stop number 5. It is just a short walk from there.
Got it. Stop number 5. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy the ride, miss. And try the coffee for me, too.
I will. Thanks again. So this is Mint Plaza. The line is kind of long already.
That is normal for Blue Bottle. People wait, but it moves fast.
Tell me about this place. Why is it so famous?
Well, Blue Bottle started in 2002. A man named James Freeman started it.
2002. So it is not that old.
Right. He started in Oakland, just across the bay. He sold coffee from a small cart.
A cart? Like a street cart?
Yes, he roasted his own beans at home. He had one big rule.
What rule?
He only sold beans that were roasted in the last 48 hours.
Only 48 hours. That is very fresh.
Yes, he believed coffee should be fresh, like bread or fish.
I like that idea. Most coffee in stores is months old.
That is true. Some coffee on a store shelf is a year old.
A year? Wow. So why was he so strict about it?
He was a musician before this. He played the clarinet.
A musician? Really?
Yes, he had a lot of free time between shows. He started roasting coffee at home as a hobby.
And it became a business?
Right. His small cart became very popular. People lined up every day.
And this Mint Plaza shop?
This one opened in 2008. It was the first real shop in San Francisco.
Cool. So this place has a lot of history.
It does. People say this shop started a new coffee style in the city.
A new style? What kind?
It just means people started to care about coffee like they care about wine.
So they think about where the beans come from.
Yes, the farm, the country, even the year, just like wine.
That changes how you drink coffee.
It does. You slow down and pay attention to the taste.
That makes sense. Are the beans here still very fresh?
Yes, they still follow the 48-hour rule.
Today, after more than 20 years, they still do that?
They do. It is one big reason people trust this brand.
Look, the line is moving.
Almost our turn. Get ready to order.
Good morning. Welcome to Blue Bottle. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can you tell me about the Gibraltar? I have never had one.
Sure. The Gibraltar is a small drink. It is 2 shots of espresso with a little warm milk.
How big is it?
About 4 ounces, so it is small but very strong.
Where does the name come from? It sounds like a place.
Good ear. It comes from the glass we use. The glass is called a Gibraltar glass.
Oh, so the drink got its name from the cup.
Right. Blue Bottle is actually the first shop that made this drink popular.
How is it different from a small latte?
A latte has more milk. The Gibraltar is mostly espresso. You can taste the bean.
I see. What beans are you using today?
Today we have beans from Ethiopia. They are light and a little fruity.
Fruity, like apples or berries?
More like berries. Some people say strawberry. It is very soft.
How is the coffee from Ethiopia different from other beans?
Ethiopia is the home of coffee. The beans there have a clean, bright taste.
That sounds nice. I will have a Gibraltar then.
Great choice. Is it for here or to go?
For here, please. I want to try it in the real glass.
Perfect. We serve it in a small clay cup so you can taste it better.
That sounds nice. And one more drink, please. What do you have for my friend?
Does he like milk drinks?
Yes, he likes a sweet, milky coffee.
Then I would suggest a New Orleans cold coffee. It has milk and a little sweetness.
That sounds great. 1 Gibraltar and 1 New Orleans, please.
That comes to $11.50.
Here you go.
Thank you.
We will bring the drinks to your table in just a few minutes.
Great, we will sit out on the patio.
Perfect. Enjoy your coffee.
Here we are. The drinks just came. Yours looks small.
It is. The man at the counter said it is only 4 ounces.
But it smells really strong, like fresh flowers and fruit.
Let me try a sip.
And how is it?
Wow, it is so smooth. There is no bitter taste at all.
Really? Most strong coffee is bitter.
I know, but this one tastes almost sweet. There is a hint of fruit.
Let me try a tiny sip.
Sure, just a little. It is small.
Oh, that is nice. It is not bitter like normal espresso.
Why is it like this? Is there a reason?
They roast the beans for a shorter time, so you can taste the fruit notes more.
That makes sense. So darker roasts hide the fruit.
Yes, darker roasts are more bitter and smoky. Light roasts let the beans speak.
I like that idea. And they make each drink slowly, right?
Yes, they call it slow bar. The barista takes time with every cup.
I can see that. The shop feels quiet, not rushed.
That is the idea. It's more like a tea ceremony than a fast coffee shop.
A tea ceremony. Speaking of which, are they in Japan too?
Yes, they opened their first Japan shop in Kiyosumi Shirakawa, Tokyo, in 2015.
Kiyosumi Shirakawa. I've heard of that area.
It's a quiet, old part of Tokyo. Now it is famous for coffee shops.
How did they pick that area? It's not the city center.
They liked the quiet streets and the big, old buildings. They could make a slow bar there.
That fits this brand. Quiet, old, and full of small shops.
Exactly. And now many other coffee shops have opened around there.
So they changed the whole area.
They did. One shop can change the area around it.
I want to visit that shop when we go back to Tokyo.
We should. Now finish your Gibraltar before it gets cold.
This walk by the bay is so nice. The light is beautiful right now.
I know. The fog is gone and the sun is low. This is my favorite time of day here.
What is that big building with the clock tower?
That is the Ferry building. It opened in 1898.
1898? It looks very old, but very clean.
It was a busy port for boats. People used it to cross the bay every day.
Before the bridges were built?
Right. There was no Bay Bridge until 1936.
So the ferry building was the main door to the city.
Exactly. At one time, 50,000 people came through here every day.
50,000. That is a small city in one building.
Right. Now it is a big food market inside. People sell cheese, bread, fresh fish, and coffee.
Local food, right?
Yes, most of it is from farms near the city. People here really care about that.
I like that. It feels like a real city food culture.
There's a farmer's market here 3 times a week, too.
Outside the building?
Yes, farmers come from all around the Bay Area. You can meet the people who grow your food.
That is special. I love that idea.
It is part of the same culture as Blue Bottle. Fresh, local, slow.
Look at the bridge over there. The lights are starting to come on.
Wow, you were right. The colors look amazing in this light.
It is so pretty. Today was a great day.
It really was. Coffee, cable cars in the bay.
And Carl the Fog in the morning.
You will remember that name forever now.
I will. So what is the plan for tomorrow?
I want to go to the bridge, up close, not from far away.
The Golden Gate? I would love to.
Good. We can take a bus tomorrow morning. It's a longer ride.
I'm ready. Now let us find a place for dinner.
There's a nice place inside the ferry building. They have fresh fish and good bread.
Sounds perfect. Lead the way again.
Always happy to. And after dinner, maybe one more coffee.
One more? Are you sure you can sleep tonight?
Maybe not, but it's worth it.
That's a real coffee fan talking.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the name of the small espresso drink that Erin orders? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.